Hello, my dear students. This question from solutions lesson. It was given in JEE 2024 April 8th second shift question. It is a NVQ numerical value based question. So nothing but an integer question, right? So here see given data molality of aqueous solution of urea 4.44 small m. So mole fraction of urea in this solution is x into 10 to the power minus 3. Find out what is x. So here you see what is the data given data. First we have to take molality. So molality formula is what? Molality is equal to number of moles of urea, okay, urea divided by what is that? 1 kg of solvent. Okay, I'm taking 1 kg of solvent. That means here 1 kg of solvent means what? Aqua solution. 1 kg of water we have to take. So first you have to have clarity. So now here to solve this problem, which formula do we have to use? That is mole fraction of urea is equal to number of moles of urea divided by number of moles of urea divided plus number of moles of water. This formula we have to use. So first given data you substitute. What is that? First we have to take. That is 4.44 is equal to number of moles of what? Number of moles of urea divided by what here? 1 kg of solvent. So here see number of moles of urea is equal to 4.44 we got, okay, according to the given data. So what about number of moles of water? So number of moles of water is equal to here number of moles of water is equal to weight of water 1 kg we have taken. 1 kg means 1000 grams divided by here gram molecular mass 18. By cancellation number of moles 55.55 we will get. Therefore, mole fraction of urea is equal to what? 4.44 divided by 4.44 plus 55.55. If you solve this, what equation, I mean that ratio, you will get 0.074 value we will get. So that value we can write it as like what? 74 into 10 to the power minus 3. That means here finally we can say that x value is equal to 74, which is integer. Have you got it? Thanks for watching.